Hello, John McConnin with UpsideDownRealEstate.com and FavoriteRealEstate.com. I'm very excited to bring this information to Californians, the homeowners, property owners, realtors. Um, I believe that California Association of Realtors Legal Department hit one out of the park with this advisory. Um, First of all, and I've spoken at car conferences, so this is not unusual that it's similar to what we were talking about when I was training realtors on this. But they give people the information they need. If they want to avoid having a lawyer, at least they are advised by CAR's lawyers of all the things they need to know, from the alternatives to the fact that there can be continuing liability after the debt, to the fact that lenders might not agree to do the short sale, so you better have a plan B to what a short sale is. They explain the anti-deficiency protections a little bit, the brand new law. They don't, you still have to understand this stuff to figure out how it works for you, but they're like, be aware of all these things. They really hammer the tax consequences. They warn against people who try to get too cute with the banks and skirt the law. They're telling the buyers, hey, this thing might not even close. And most importantly, I believe, with this clause, if realtors are going to follow it, they can help. And this is the whole point of this: by properly advising sellers and brokers sticking to their limited role, they can avoid liability. Right now, there are lawyers going around suing realtors who advise on short sales. This sheet gives the basics to what a homeowner needs to know, advises them to talk to their lawyer and tax accountant, and makes it clear that a real estate broker cannot give legal or tax advice. They cannot tell you to counsel you on the best course of action, and they can't tell you or suggest what your best course of action is. So if a realtor pays attention to their forms, when that approval letter comes out, they're not going to say, go ahead and close. They're not going to say, this relieves you of liability for the remaining loan balance, or you can handle this tax-wise. They're going to say, as it says here, your owners are strongly cautioned that they must seek legal and tax advice. So a broker's role, it's clear that they should not advise, and now they have a right to not say it. They can say, look, you read the short sale information addendum. At this point in time, you've got an approval letter. This is a six-figure situation. Your assets and your future are on the line, and it's not my role to advise you. It is your role here to go out and get an attorney so you know whether you should go forward or not. They've given the homeowners the information they need. Brokers are now, their role is carefully explained, and I think it's a great thing. And I think that this is the time for realtors and lawyers to form a team, especially experienced. You need an experienced realtor to do your short sales, because most realtors only get like 20-25% of them done. And you need an experienced lawyer to help you with the short sale, maybe gain some leverage in the negotiations, and properly advise you on those approval letters. John McConnin, UpsideDownRealEstate.com and FavoriteRealEstate.com. Thank you.